Squamish, BC. Check out the Chief. This bad boy behind me is called the Chief. Super iconic hiking mountain and slacklining mountain. Also over here is the falls. So yeah, it's super windy today. I'm not sure how bad the audio is going to be, so I'm going to try to do audio, and if it's too bad, I'll just do voiceover later. So Charlie Rock groove and steps and moves and all that. Right now, let's go. If you've ever taken Beware Why Not's tutorial, you'll know that he uses the Charlie Rock a lot and he teaches it a lot. That's where I mostly learned a lot about this, and also from old school Charleston that everybody knows. So I'm gonna go through the groove first, then moves, then how to implement it into your Toprock. Let's go. All right, so groove first. If you know my hip hop groove tutorial, I taught the same one here. The Charlie Rock uses the same groove, and that's your up groove. Boom, boom. So all you're gonna do first is just go legs bent, up, and bend, up, and up, 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 up. Don't fully flex at the top. You want to have that nice natural bend to it. Then at the top of every bounce, you're gonna have a chest pop. Looking like this, going up, and then when you go down, you're just gonna relax, have it nice and natural concave around your body. So going up, like you're breathing in, Superman up to the sky. Big chest, pop down, and up, and back, and up, and back, and up, and back. Notice I'm naturally bending my legs at the same time. That's what you want. Whenever you're bent, you're in. Whenever you're up, you're out. Going down, up, and hit, 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 hit. Get this comfortable. One, chest, 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 chest. Ah. All right, so once you've got the groove, you gotta learn the moves. So how do we add the groove into our moves? First, we gotta learn how to step with the groove. So all we're gonna do is bend our right knee in like this, boom, and then place it back down. Then left, up, just like you're marching on the spot. Up, step, 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 and hit, 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 hit. Now, every time your knee comes up, your chest is gonna come down into that relaxed position. Then every time you're up, chest high. Then going down, up, up. Imagine there's a rubber band attached from your stomach or your chest, whatever you want to call it, to your knee. In, up, and hit, 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 hit. Watch my body. Hit, just like that. Continuing, going down, raise, pop that chest, down, hit, and up, 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 going hit, hit, marching on the spot, and hoy, hoy, hoy. Once that's comfortable, relax it a little bit, go a little bit less intense, and try to go a bit quicker. Boom, 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 chest, up, 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 as you go, wing, bounce, bounce, hoy, hoy, hoy. It's a hip hop video, Okay, next, we're gonna add it into a side step. So, you do the same thing, bend in, but now you're gonna step to the side. Every time you come up, again, straight. Then when you're down, whenever you're bent, you're low. Hit, and low, side, low, together. So remember, whenever you're bent, your body's bent. Whenever you're straight, your body's straight. So if your knee's down, your body's down. If your knee's straight, like this, your body is straight like this. Going up, side, up, hit, and pop your chest. Pop your chest. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going hit. Fast now. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So if you want that tempo timing to be faster, you should have to add an and in between each count. Going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Ha! So now that you have on the spot, you have side. We're gonna do the same march but front and back. Going march, step forwards, march, step forwards, march, step back, march, step back. Going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Again, that rubber band activating. Every time you go down, your chest goes with it. Every time you go up, your chest goes up with it. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit. So now all you gotta do is add your little clippers on. Your little Charleston clippers. These boys, baby. Oi, 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 got them. So to do that, all you must do is add little toes. On your toes, scarecrow up, knees inwards, then you can go heel, hit, together like that. Then toes, heel, toes, heel. Bend your knees, hit. Bend them, hit. Bend them, hit. Going clip together. Clip your heels together and hit. And hit. When you bend, you bend. When you're up, you're up. Going down, hit. Down, hit. Down, hit. Down, hit, hit, hit. Down, hit. Just kidding. Down, hit. Chest, low, low. Like you just got gut punch. Ooh, hit. Ooh, hit. Then faster. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 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 hit. Now all you're gonna do is add one step in. Going step, toes, hit. Step, toes, hit. Step, toes, hit. Step, toes, hit. Step and hit. Step and hit. Step and hit. Step and hit. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now for shoe shiners. All you're gonna do for shoe shiners is rather than going like this, you're just gonna bring that leg higher and just one at a time. Just like this. So tap your foot. Shine it off. Shine it off. Shine it off. Notice I'm not going like this. I'm going at that angle, okay? Like you want to show your whole shoe. So if you're looking in a mirror, you want to see the top of your shoe, like this whole part. The more you can see it, the better it's gonna look. So your knee is angled inwards, your foot is angled outwards. Up, up, up. You don't have to hit it. That's just style points, baby. Hit, 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 hit. Now all you're gonna do is go step and hit. Step, up, hit. Step, up, hit, step, up, hit. Going step and hit. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Groove now. Going up, down, together. Up, now this is the other fundamental style that I see in this, in my personal opinion, of timing. So we've got our first tempo, which is the basic one. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. The groove is always this, right? It's that bass. This one is a disconnected one because it has a stalled and hit. It's like the last second of each count, you catch it. You're like, catch, 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 last second. So how we do that is we go step and hit, step and hit, 1 and hit, 2 and hit. So it's like no groove, you're lazy, whatever, sun's on my face, I'm so happy. Oh my God, what was that? Oh, sun's on my face, I'm so happy. Oh, back to reality again. What? Oh, hit. So that's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna go step, nothing, chill, we're just stepping. Then everything, you go in, bent, then you hit everything together, pop, straight, cool, look at me, what good now. Then again, going lazy, what? And everything. Chilling, vibing, cooling, what's my name? Hit, and now it goes step and hit. Step and hit. Chill, pop. Chill, pop. Chill, boom, hit. Wow, zoom, ha. Wow, zoom, pop. Faster going. Step and hit. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That's all we got, 8 pop. All right, the advanced shoe shiner. All you're gonna do now is add the clipper in to the bottom foot that's not doing anything. So the other foot's gonna do the same, shoe shine, but the foot that's not stepping is gonna have that constant bob back and forth. So it looks like this, going hit, everything out, tap, heels in, out, side, other foot, tap, in. So your heels should always be going out. So every time you come down, it's in that instantly. Even in the air, everything's out, in, out, side, out, in, out, side. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Going hit, 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 boom, hit, tap, boom, hit, boom, hit, boom, hit, zoom, pop, pop. Now if you can do that side to side what we just did, that's the exact same thing that a charleston is. Because if we're doing that front line, step, step, that's the exact same thing. Everything up, step, everything up, step, everything up, back, everything up, back. Exact same thing. So if you can do the side one, you can now do it wherever you're going. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, charleston vibes. Boom, hit, boom, hit, boom, hit, pop, 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 pop. So if you see me freestyle in the recent years, you'll see I use this a lot. If you watch Why Not or with Mr. Wiggles, you'll see they do these a lot as well. So why? Because you can literally add it into like every Toprock step. So let's say for instance we want to do a 2-step front. Well, all you gotta do is go toes, hit, toes, step, toes, hit, toes, step. Or like a little kick, right? You just got a most beginner Toprock and made it like super advanced and funky and stylish, right? That's why I know it was boring learning all that, but if you got all that I just taught you, you literally have a plethora of options to use now. A plethora of options. Simple 2-step back, right? 1, 2, Charlie rock into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, zoom, ha, boom, ha. All it is the same thing we just did. Boom, ha, boom, ha, boom, ha. You don't want to be quite so crazy? Just add the back part. And so just do a normal step. Do it like the shoe shiner, remember? Nothing hit, nothing hit, nothing hit, nothing hit, nothing hit, nothing hit, nothing hit. What about side step? Well, this may be a bit too weird for you. So let's just shoe shiner it. Whenever it feels too much, add only half of it in. That's the shoe shiner one. So all we do for that is go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Heel pop in, boom, hit, boom, hit, boom, hit. I'm still using my groove, right? Or you can go out if you want, or in if you want more of that authentic groove to it. Hit. Oh, but I know you can't do a crossover step with it. Ha! Joke's on you. Why Not did it literally in his workshop. Ha! So, how you do that? Or, was it Mr. Wiggles? Mr. Wiggles did it right in his workshop. Woo! So, all he did was go crossover, right? Boom. Then the back one, you guess what you do? Guess what? You just do charleston. Hit, hit, then you go kick and hit. Oh, but how do you get back again? You just do it again. And kick and hit. 1, 2, kick and hit. 1, 2, kick and hit. 1, 2, kick and hit. Other way, 1 and 2, hit, hit. 1 and 2, hit, hit. Which leg is it? The front one. That's the only thing you gotta remember. Front leg goes back first. Hit. What if you don't want it to? It's too much. Just do 1. Hit, boom, hit, boom, hit, boom, 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 ha, boom, ha, boom, ha, ha, ha. It's very quite hot. So that's the basics, adding into all 4. Now, what about your arms? How the heck do I make my arms look dope with it? Well, there's only really two things you gotta remember. And that's that the arms have to match the groove. The groove is a very sideways groove, which means elbows work really well with it. Whether you're doing like hand touches, whatever, if you want this feeling, it's not gonna be like that. That's the hardest thing I had with this groove, is figuring out how to add my arms in naturally. And the trick is your elbow pop, okay? So literally just use your elbows like this, like a chicken, funky chicken, boom, boom. So every time you're low, elbows are high. Everything you're up, the elbows are in. So you're like, well, I don't probably want to do this. That's totally fair, I get it. You don't have to do that. All I'm saying is, if you add that motion in, you can do any shape you want. Make it hard, hit some 52 blocks. Make it soft, hit some just angles. 1, 2, in and out, in and out. Want it big? Add hands in, kind of like Bollywood style, right? Boom, hit, boom, hit. All you gotta do is have that inner twist going consistently. So then if I want to do like a simple march, just want to have it chill, just do this. 1, 2, go in front, hit, hit. And with something like the shoe shiner, usually I make it a delay. So I'll do nothing when I'm doing nothing, and I'll do a sharp hit when I'm hitting it. So 1, pop, 2, hit, 3, hit, 1, hit. So hold your hand somewhere, smack last second. 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 And that's all you got, so vibe with it. All right, y'all, this is my favorite groove in breaking. That's not really a breaking groove at all, but that I've added into breaking. And shout outs to Why Not and Mr. Wiggles, because they're the first people that I saw really revolutionize this and put this into breaking and smash it. And if it wasn't for them, I don't know that I would have ever been inspired to make this or to do this. So shout outs to you guys. Thanks so much for being awesome. And apart from that, I hope you guys gained something from this, because this was not the easiest move for me to kind of understand or groove, but it's one of the ones that I literally abuse the most. So I think you guys can really use this to funk up your Toprock and to make it have a lot more groove and feel to it. All right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. This is your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now and Never crew. If you like this video, please comment down below, like down below, subscribe, and smash the bell button for more videos. I'm gonna go get some food now. Last day in Squamish. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.